Welcome back, guys, and today we're going to be making homemade natural poopourri. Ingredients you are going to need: 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, 1 teaspoon of rubbing alcohol, 10 to 15 drops of an essential oil of your choice. I am choosing bergamot, 1/4 of a cup of water. This is optional, I'm not using it, but you could add 2 drops of a food coloring into this product so you can see that film on the surface. And a 2-ounce glass spray bottle. Before we begin, make sure you hit the subscribe button down there in the description and that bell. That way you don't miss out on any of our videos and other projects. Also, the links in the description contain the best prices for our essential oils as well as other supplies we use during these projects. First, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of liquid glycerin. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of rubbing alcohol. Next, we're going to add 10 to 15 drops of our choice of essential oil. Screw the lid on, shake these ingredients up to make sure that they are mixed thoroughly. Next, go ahead and fill the bottle up with water. Shake it up, and there you guys go, another natural solution to a toxic problem. Guys, I really appreciate you guys joining us today. Please hit that subscribe button and that bell, that way you don't miss out on any of our videos or upcoming projects. Essential oils have an almost infinite amount of uses, and we're going to continue to show you guys how useful they really can be. If you haven't already, check the links in the description for the best prices on all of our equipment, especially our essential oils. I promise you guys, they are the best in the entire world. And thanks again for joining us.